Hi Tesla fans, I'm Ellie with T-Sportline, and today we're going to do a 5-part series specifically focusing on protecting your Tesla Model S from high wear areas. Areas that may receive road rash and rock chips and door dings or scratches from maybe even jewelry that's on your hand when you're opening up door handles. Most of you are familiar with the acronym PPF, which stands for Paint Protection Film. This technology has been around for years, and what started off to be exclusive for the high-end exotic car market, it has now become very mainstream and popular, especially with all of us Tesla owners. And the reason is because we love our Teslas, and we're going to keep them for many years, and we want to protect them, and we want them to always look great, and avoid going to the body shop for unnecessary paint repairs of multiple panels when road rash, rock chips, or high wear happens to those areas. Each one of our kits is going to come with our T-Max pre-cut PPF film to make this installation very easy. And to start off the installation, here's what you need to do. Step 1, go ahead and wash your car using soap and water. And when I say soap, I mean specifically like an automotive car wash soap. Something that you would find at an automotive supply shop or even your local market. Do not use dish soap. That is not a good soap to go ahead and wash your car. Now, after you've washed your car and wiped it down thoroughly, what you need to go ahead and do is also make sure that if you had previously had some sort of ceramic pro or ceramic treatment done to your car, you need to go ahead and make sure that gets properly removed, and that does not come off with washing your car. Or if you have some extra grease or buildup in some of these areas that we'll be focusing on, you need to make sure those areas are perfectly clean as well. And to go ahead and make that happen, we do offer this Dupli Color Pre-Wipe Towelette. It costs $3.95, and it's a nice accessory to go ahead and clean those areas of concern. It's not necessary, just a nice option. When this kit arrives to your home, it shows up just like this, and included with that will be 2 empty spray bottles. If you have your own spray bottles at home and they've never been used before, go ahead and use those if you feel more comfortable, but we do include 2 empty spray bottles. The first spray bottle, you're going to go ahead and fill it with about 1 drop of baby shampoo and then the rest water. And on the second spray bottle, I'd like you to go ahead and use some rubbing alcohol that you buy, again, at a local convenience store or market. The ratio of alcohol to water is 30% alcohol, 70% water. Put that in the spray bottle. We will also include 2 squeegees. This is the tool that you're going to use to go ahead and install the PPF film. Welcome back to part 3 of a 5-part series about protecting your Model S from the high wear areas. And today we're going to be focusing on specifically the edge on your rear bumper trunk area that gets scraped a lot if you are going ahead and taking things in and out of that area. It could be luggage, it could be groceries, it could be a variety of things, but that area really does get a lot of wear and also can create damage to your bumper. So I'm going to bring Luis in right now, and he's going to show you exactly how easy it is to protect that area on your own and install our PPF kit at home.
So now we're going to do the rear bumper luggage area. We're just going to again clean the piece really well. So make sure we clean most of the area, and now we're just going to spray our soap and water. And we're just going to back roll it. We're just going to wet our film. So we're going to align it from one side first. So we're going to align it from here, this side first. And then we go to the other side. So yeah, we're just trying to stretch the film right here to align it to this corner right here. so that way the film fits the piece. Just screw it out right here. So now if the film like goes up, it's okay. We can always just push it down a little bit. So now it's all aligned, we can just squeeze it out. And we're just gonna seal the edges with the towel, just to make sure everything is sealed, and just clean the area just to see if there is any bubbles or anything that you need to take care of. You can just let it dry for a little bit and go back with a towel to the edges, like the way I'm doing right now.